Oh, mess. There's a freaking baby possum.
No, y'all.
Holy crap, you possum alert. Possum alert. Possum. It's a possum. Holy crap. It's so scared, dude. Let it go in the bathroom. We'll go in the bathroom. Oh, mess. Hey, hold this door open so you can come out. How the heck did a freaking baby possum get in here? I'm gonna scare him out. It ran in the bathroom. Oh, it's hissing at me. Run this away. Oh, something's on my back. How the heck is there a baby possum? That's so curious. It peed everywhere. Where is it?
Oh.
I'm gonna have to bleep this thing out because that's the scariest thing ever. Oh crikey! A baby possum! Like, he couldn't have just like walked by somebody.
No.
That's pretty advanced.
I know.
It's mean as heck. It's so scared.
Then get it out. Hey.
Hey, I'm just recording. He'll do all the work. It'll be funny that way. Holy crap!
I told y'all there was
How
a
would
baby,
be?
baby
He goes,
possum.
hey, look at this picture or something.
There's
He
definitely a
didn't-
hole there. No, it's not.
No, he doesn't live in here. This is a possum. They live outside.
Don't let it climb up.
It can't climb up. Just grab his tail.
It's a possum. It can climb.
Hey, don't let it. Hey, put it on top of him.
On top of him.
Like, so we don't climb.
He doesn't run fast at all.
Turn
Like,
it into a pizza, man.
I want some. Oh, crap! Holy mess, he's in a pizza box. Run, possum!
Holy crap.
He's booking it. Look at him.
He's booking it for a little guy. Jeez, that was ridiculous. Man. Right.